second for if you don't.
Yeah, straighten the fan. That'll fix it.
No, you're fine.
You're fine.
You're gonna hit your face.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I don't know what you
Put it through there.
Oh!
One more time. One more time.
Couple more times. Faster.
Oh!
Yay! How did you do that? I think he's going slower.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
How are you doing that? The fan's definitely going slower.
Did someone turn that off?
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
I think it does look like it's turning off.
I think we broke it.
Yeah, we should probably.